The Google Pixel Pro 9 Fold is a vastly improved foldable phone with the biggest screen in its class, a super thin design and improved cameras. The AI features are quite impressive too, including Pixel Studio, Add Me and Gemini Live. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold has a release date of September 4 and you can pre-order right now. The starting price is $1,799 US for 256 GB of storage, but you can upgrade to 512 GB. While that's a pricey phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 starts at $1,899 US, so it's $100 more expensive than the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The OnePlus Open is $1,699 US but can be found on sale for as low as $1,399 US. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a mouthful when it comes to saying the name, but it mostly lives up to it given all the changes Google has made to this foldable phone. You get a huge main display in a super thin design that's easier to carry, a powerful Tensor G4 chip, and impressive AI features that make Apple Intelligence look quiet. I also appreciate the redesigned aspect ratio for the displays and the modest camera upgrades. And that brings me to my biggest complaint. While the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is no slouch in terms of camera specs, it trails the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL with their more powerful 48 megapixel ultra-wide and telephoto lenses versus 10 megapixel for the Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro and XL have longer 30x digital zooms too. Nevertheless, I'm excited with everything Google has brought to the table with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's not only the most improved foldable, it could be the new foldable phone to beat.